Welcome to e-Gurukulam Classified. Today's topic is about types of political parties in India. To become a political party, each one need to be registered with the Election Commission. The Election Commission of India registers political parties for the purpose of elections and grants them recognition as national or state parties on the basis of their poll performance. The other parties are simply declared as registered unrecognized parties. As per the Representation of People Act 1951, registered political parties, in course of time, can get recognition as state party or national party. Now, what is a national party? As the name suggests, it has a nationwide presence, as opposed to a regional party that is restricted to only a particular state or region. A certain stature is sometimes associated with being a national party, but this does not necessarily translate into having a lot of national political influence. Conditions for declaring a party national. As per the ECI's Political Parties and Election Symbols 2019 Handbook, a political party would be considered a national party if it is recognized in 4 or more states, or if its candidates have secured at least 6% of total valid votes in at least 4 states in latest Lok Sabha or Assembly elections, and the party has at least 4 in the last LS polls, or if it has won at least 2% of the total seats in the LS from at least 3 states. How is a party declared a state party? A party is recognized as a state party in a state if any of the following conditions is fulfilled. If it secures 6% of the valid votes polled in the state at a general election to the respective state legislative assembly, state LA, and also, it wins 2 seats in the same state LA. If it secures 6% of the total valid votes in the state at a general election to the LS, and also, it wins 1 seat in the LS from the same state. If it wins 3% of seats in the LA at a general election to the Legislative Assembly of the state concerned, are 3 seats in the Assembly, whichever is more. If it wins 1 seat in the LS for every 25 seats or any fraction thereof allotted to the state at a general election to the LS from the state concerned. If it secures 8% of the total valid votes polled in the state at a general election to the LS from the state or to the state LA. What is the significance of being declared a national, state party? A recognized party, national or state, has the right to certain privileges like allocation of the party symbols, provision of time for political broadcasts on the state-owned television and radio stations, and access to electoral rolls. These parties are allowed to have 40 star campaigners during the time of elections, whereas the registered unrecognized parties are allowed to have 20 star campaigners. Every national party is allotted a symbol exclusively reserved for its use throughout the country, even in the states where it is not contesting elections. For a state party, the allotted symbol is exclusively reserved for its use in the state in which it is so recognized. So this is the complete information about types of parties in India. Hope the content is helpful to you. Meet you again with another topic. Thank you so much. e-Gurukulam signing off.